Going on, everybody? How we doing? Morning, Froggo, Stevo, Timimio. Hopefully the mic sounds okay today. I moved it. I got a new mic stand. I'm not sure if I like it, but now it's on the other side of me. But it is at where the proper distance is supposed to be with this pop filter. However, I have no way to actually get it closer to me if I like the other filter. So I'd have to go back to the other stand if that's the case. Tom, good morning. Yeah, I'm gonna take a listen to it myself real quick. I did it all last night, so I didn't quite get a chance to test it. It does sound like I got the right latency today, though. It sounds like there's no delay. It doesn't sound that much different, I feel. I feel like I sound a little lower, which is probably right because I'm further away from it. I feel like it sounds okay, though. It might not sound like as deep. Let me speak a little closer. Oh, yeah, I actually like that way better. It sounds a little echoey from a distance. Because if I sit back here and talk, you can start to hear, like, I don't know, like the little echoey. It's just like a little bit more bassy when I get up here. So like if I start talking up here and I come back to here, you can hear the difference. Yeah, well, we'll have to deal with it for today because I'm not switching it. At least not right now. Yeah, but get you what? Just like the old days. Last minute needs by the kiddos. Rob Barista, Pine Tree Trader Jordan, good morning. Tom, good morning. Bob Means, good morning. Marius, good morning. That's the other thing. I have to look this way to read my chat, so I'll be looking away from the mic. I don't know. It's so, with how I have everything set up, I'm not sure how I'm gonna use my mic. We'll see. I'm still trying to figure it out. All right, there's the morning trade. I'm a little annoyed we didn't get it on that first pump. I thought we were going to have to go through some drawdown, but worked out. So easy peasy on the opening trade there. Bounced off support. Sorry I didn't get to explain my trade, but bounced off the support there a couple times. We were coming back up. Bounced, started to come back up again. I feel like that was an easy bias this morning. Nice little trade here. So going right into the bands here. I'm not looking to get short here. We got to wait those 15 minutes. So we can sit here and talk for 15 minutes. Would have been nice to get more of that move, but obviously got what we were going for. We are officially back to positive. Well, we were yesterday as well, but on this account, we're working in the right direction. If you remember, we took that big loss when we had first got this account, and we are working our way back up, and we're in the positive with full drawdown again. So can't complain about that at all. It just goes. It makes you wonder how many times would I have been able to do that on the blown accounts prior had we just used the stop loss. But yeah, as long as you went long this morning, no matter what your take profit was, you should be perfectly fine. So this is on the daily where we got to yesterday, as well as last week on the 27th. So it would be interesting to not... Oh, it looks like we already... Yeah, the high's right there. So it looks like pre-market, we actually already ran into that area. So I wouldn't be surprised if we go back to that area. And if we break this area, we're probably going to all-time highs. It'd be kind of weird that we don't go to all-time highs if we can get above this 283 area. Nice, Steve. Good stuff. 400. Love it. Yeah, so I was told that this morning the My Funded Futures $80 account would be up and running, but it's still not on the website. I mean, it's all over the Discord. Even my behind the scenes guy told me that it was going to be... He was like, he even gave me banners to not show until today, which I can show you. He just told me not to show you until today. That's the Stream Deck I need to get up and rolling too. Oops. So they made this for me just to show you everything. And like what it's gonna be, and they even put the code VOLA in there for me. That was pretty cool. Like they sent all this to me. Here, the other one was this one, just kind of explaining everything, introducing the revamped starter plan, shows you profit target, end of day trailing drawdown, not trailing, just end of day drawdown, daily loss limit, the reset fee, how many contracts you can have, the scaling with the contract size, consistency rule, qualification for payouts, which is the 5 winning days of $100, withdrawal limit, and then the live funding if you get there, and then just no activation fee. So they sent all that to me, and it even says in their Discord that it said yesterday. So it said today at 12 a.m. Eastern. So that was at midnight my time. The current starter accounts will be gone forever, and tomorrow the new ones will be launched. Here are all the details you need to know, yada, yada, yada. So a little frustrated because they were supposed to have this up and running this morning, but as you can see, not yet. If you pass, we figured that out yesterday, Steve. Yes, it's $80 a month. Well, actually, they didn't even put per month on this new thing. Oh, no, yeah, they did on the other one. So it's $80 per month for the eval. But if you don't pass the eval, yes, you would pay another month. So you want to pass the eval as quickly as possible, within a month. You want to pass the eval within a month. And then once you're in the PA account, you're good to go. So My Funded Futures, I really, really, really like their excuse me. I really like their platform, the dashboard, I should say. their website and their dashboard. Like everything is laid out really well. Other than that, I've had no issues. I don't have a payout with them yet, so I don't know what that's like as far as going through getting a payout with them. So I can't speak on that regard, but other than that, like their customer service, they have a live chat customer service on their website, which was actually very helpful yesterday. So they have that going for them. Their website / dashboard is really nice. I just really like it. And I think this $80 all-in account is going to be game changing because if, again, we're going over the examples yesterday with Apex, the cheapest you could be all in on an account is $102, a 50K account, which is what we're comparing to because that's what they have. So $102. So you're saving $22 there if you do everything on the first try. Now, it would be cheaper with Apex if you typically fail a bunch of evaluations because at 90% off, they're only $17 a piece. Where with My Fund of Futures, it's going to be $80 for that first one, and then it's $50 every time you reset. Instead of, obviously, it wouldn't be 80 every time. So that's what the reset fee's for. So overall, but that's the thing with Apex. If you plan on keeping the accounts for a while, or you trade at a slower pace, etc., can't trade every single day. Once you pass these evals on My Fund of Futures, that's it. It's a lifetime account for the amount that you paid. That's it. And their payout structure seems like it's going to be a little bit better as well. The fact that you could get paid out, I think it's at a minimum of $250. You could take that after 5 days on a PA account, as long as you make $100 on each of those days. Correct, Steve. So once you pass the eval, there are no more fees. That's it. You're all in. So if you pay $80, you pass the eval within a month, and you get put on the PA account, that's it. It's a lifetime fee for that $80. That's it. No more. No more money. And then if you blow that, you pay the reset fee of $50 and you start over. So you'd have a month to pass. Now, whether they charge you $50 if you were to go an extra month or $80, I don't know that. I'd have to figure that out. But I know as long as you pass it within that first month, that second time around, you would be all in for $50, not even 80. I don't, it's amazing. Quite frankly, it's pretty crazy. Well, that's what I was saying. With Apex, you're all in for $102, but if you keep the account for longer than a month, you're going to pay another $85. So now that would be $187. And then if you go another month, so the thing with My Fund of Futures is you don't have to worry about that. There's no monthly fee after that initial fee. The only monthly fee is if you don't pass the eval within that first month, then you would get charged the monthly fee. But once you pass the eval, it becomes a lifetime account as a PA, and you can take your time. It's pretty crazy. But if you think about it, that's encouraging you to be a slow, consistent trader. That's what it's like. They're actually promoting the account is cheap, and there's going to be people still trying to push the boundaries, but it's allowing you the opportunity to not feel rushed. It's allowing you the opportunity to try to be an actual trader, which is pretty awesome. And Anemo, yeah, that's what I've been saying. Like, people think, oh, like people are going to take advantage of it, and those are the people that are the problem. They're the people that were the reason Apex had to do what they did. The people always trying to take advantage of the system, when in reality, the way that My Fund of Futures has structured this, it's to allow the people to feel comfortable and take their time and become consistent and, etc. It does cost a little bit more up front, but it will pay dividends on the back end if you are that slow, consistent trader. No fee account giveaway Friday. Well, I'll be giving away cash on Friday, so if you want to use it for that, that's completely up to you. I could definitely ask for more accounts, but I'm gonna let them get everything set up on their end before I start doing that. Well, they're definitely legit. I mean, My Fund of Futures has been around longer than Apex, according to my knowledge. I'm actually going to look that up because I don't want to give false information. How many accounts can you have with My Funded Futures? I think it's 3. I think the max you can have is 3. Again, I will check that to make sure so I'm not giving false information. That's one thing. The one thing about My Funded Futures that I've had an issue with is trying to find answers to simple questions like that. Like their website, like the way they have the frequently asked questions and stuff laid out sometimes are kind of a pain to try to understand. My Funded FX is kind of crappy. They moved the futures now. Yeah, anything that is to deal with Forex, I just leave it alone. You can't trade seconds on My Funded Futures. They come up with some ridiculous reason. Well, they don't like scalping, but I think they kind of turn that into they don't want to see anything less than 20 ticks. So we have news in about 2 minutes, by the way. Keep that in mind. So here's how their scaling works. Let me pull this up real quick. So basically, if you're below $1,500 on the account, you can trade 2 minis. And then once you get from 1,500 to 2,000, you can trade 3. And then once you get above that 2,000, you can trade 5 on the 50K. Obviously, that changes a little bit. So that when we say scaling on My Funded Futures, that's what they're talking about. I'm all in 10 contracts on my PA account. That is already at payout. Thumbs up. Get out of here. We already know you're lying. So the market also does close at 1 o'clock today, by the way. So keep that in mind. So I won't be here till 4 today. It'll only be till 1 because that's when they close. I have to run to the store anyway before fireworks and stuff for tomorrow. So I'm actually on a live chat with them right now. They have like the automated bot chat at first, but once it gets to a point where you may need to ask a question that it can't answer, it allows you to ask a person, and it usually takes a few minutes for them to respond. But I mean, that's way better than having to send a ticket and just hoping that they even see it. What time is marbles? I don't know. We have 50 people and 50 likes. It'll be at 11 o'clock. Well, we had different circumstances. We also didn't have 50 people in here with 50 likes. So make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Yeah, so they just confirmed it's a maximum of 3 funded accounts, which I thought I remember reading that somewhere. What was the other question? I'll ask them why, I said I thought the starter account revamp was supposed to be live this morning, question mark. We'll see what he says to that. What was the other question? Was it the scalping? 4 contracts, 20 ticks. Good stuff, man. I just saw that. I didn't see that earlier. Yeah, there was supposed to be news at 9:45, but obviously it wasn't anything major. How many ES ticks is considered scalping? Yeah, I just asked. So yeah, we'll see. See if he has an answer. All right, we are past the 15 minutes, by the way, so bans are in play. Actually, let me switch over to this. We'll start the bans. Oops. Let's start the copy trader. Let's start it. Let's make sure it's working. It is indeed working. All right. So just waiting on a response. If you guys are interested in marbles for some cash, all you gotta do is be here. So we need to have 50 people in here, 50 likes. So make sure you hit that like button. Again, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. If you have any questions about, I'm going to stick with the main 3 are going to be my main 3. I might take a look at Take Profit Trader here shortly, but I think I'm going to be sticking with Apex, Buellnox, and My Funded Futures. I think those are going to be my main 3. Apex is still always going to be my main. I feel most comfortable with them. I feel like I know their rules inside and out at this point. I'm still learning Buellnox, but I feel like their rules are fairly similar. It's just they cost a little bit more because of the activation fee. And then My Funded Futures is coming in out of nowhere, basically trying to take over with these $80 all-in 50K accounts. The only drawdown with My Funded Futures is you can only have 3 accounts. Buellnox, I think you can start with 5. It's either 3 or 5, but you can go up to 11, but you have to scale your way up to 11. So like if you get to a certain point on, say, the 3rd one, they'll let you go to 4. If you get to a certain point with that one, they'll let you go to 5, etc., all the way up to 11. Apex, you are allowed to just have 20 out the gate and do as you please. So that's like the 3 big differences between the 3. But for now, I will not be trading Precision anymore. I just want to let them get a little bit more well-known. And I also want to, I'll leave this in here. But I want to allow them to like just be better overall, like be more automated on their website, all that good stuff. So like if I see that they're having a 90% off sale, I'll still let everyone know, but probably gonna just stick to the main 3. The 15-minute bans. That's just my own personal rule. So these Keltner channels, the bans that they create, I've noticed that if you try to trade them within the first 15 minutes, sometimes it's not a good idea because the bans aren't done fully expanding yet because of the pre-market volume. The Keltner channels are using average true range. So for the average true range to catch up, it involves using volume, it involves using the price action, etc. So for those bands to get where they're supposed to be, it takes about 15 minutes. So as you can see, like look how far it took for these bands to kind of stop moving, even though the price went down over here. So it took that long for the volume and the price to catch a point where, okay, this is where the bands are supposed to be at this point. So that was at what, 9:42. So today it was about 12 minutes. But the idea is to not get caught in a move using the bands based off of pre-market volume and price. Hello, Bray.
I'm back. Anyone here?
Yes, news at 10. Let me see what kind of news it is. Yeah, but this is like the busy part of the day, so it's not. We can't really play around. Around like 11 o'clock, and don't do that because it messes up the camera. It's too
I'll
much.
be here at VOLA.
Yep, 11 o'clock. That's when we'll probably play some marbles and have some fun.
Well, I'll see you guys at 11 o'clock.
Steve said, "Bray Bray, tell us a joke." So go think of a joke and come back. And you can
Okay.
tell us.
It'll take like 5 minutes.
Okay. Okay. He said 5 minutes, Steve. Fletcher, my strategy is pretty simple. The opening trade is the opening trade, but the bands, I'm essentially just waiting for the price to go up and touch the bands, and then I'm looking to reverse that trade. So, like, if we come up and hit this top band, I'm looking to short it back down to a previous area of, like, wherever it went through. So, like, if we came up to this 283, it's an obvious level that I have marked off the hourly. If we shot up to the bands through there, I would be looking to get short and looking for a retest of that previous area. That's it. Hopefully I get to show you. That would be amazing. But if you take these Keltner channels with a 13 MA and 4 standard deviation, I think they call it coefficient on Quantower. But if you do that and you start scrolling back and look at during market hours, it'll be rare that you find a time where it touches the bands and doesn't give you some sort of retracement. So like here's another one, touch the bands, retracement. It doesn't happen that often, so it requires being very disciplined and patient. But it's something that seems to work quite a bit. You have the joke?
3, 2, 1. Who asked me that?
Mr. Steve.
So
VIP cleaners, yeah.
Is it fine if I do a riddle?
Go ahead, hurry up.
Well, yeah, that one's too long.
No, you don't have to like hurry. Just how long is it? It's not gonna take you more than a minute, is it?
It's gonna take me like 2 minutes at least.
What is which joke?
It's that one where the plane the elephant plane thing.
Oh, go ahead. Hurry, just go. Start it.
Well, but then they have to guess it, and that would take a
Oh
lot.
no, because I fixed that today. So they should be able to answer pretty quickly.
Okay.
Go ahead.
So it's a pretty long riddle, but if there's 101 bricks in a plane and one falls out, how many are there? Let's see some answers. Since I see the correct answer.
So if there's 101 bricks in a plane and one falls out, how many are left?
Yeah.
101, not 100.
Close.
100.
Okay. 101.
So we started with 101. All right, so Bob Means got it right. It's 100. So now.
Yeah. So how do you put a giraffe in the fridge?
How do you put a giraffe in the fridge?
How do you put a giraffe in the fridge?
I don't think they're gonna get this one.
Me either, but I want to see at least 3 guesses. Carefully.
I mean, he's not wrong.
Yeah. Head first. Neck first. Okay. The correct answer was you open the fridge, then you put it in, then you close the fridge. What do you think about?
Oh, he's talking about trading stuff. All right, next part.
Okay. How do you put an elephant in the fridge?
So follow up. How do you put an elephant in the fridge?
Think about the last
Yeah,
question.
so with the giraffe, you simply opened the fridge, you put the giraffe in, and then you close the fridge. So how do you put the elephant in the fridge? Don't worry about that one.
I know. I'm just looking for answers. Carefully. VIP cleaners. You said that one last time.
Ooh.
You take the giraffe out and put the elephant in. Close. The right answer was you open the fridge, then you take the elephant out,
Feed the giraffe.
then you the giraffe out, then you put the elephant in, then you close it.
So he essentially got it right.
Yes, you got it right, essentially. You just never opened the door. Okay, if there's
We're getting there.
There was 101 invitations sent out to a party for animals. One person wasn't there. Who was it?
So there was 101 invitations sent out to a party, but there was one animal that wasn't there. Who was it?
Yeah, you get half a point.
Yeah, every time Braden talks, the market just goes up.
I know.
He said Tim. A Dalmatian?
No.
Is it the elephant that's in the fridge?
Yes. The correct answer was the elephant in the fridge.
Yay, Peter got it.
Yeah. 100 and... Hey, that was a good guess. Sort of.
So is that the joke?
There's one more.
One more.
part.
All right, one more part.
Bob was crossing a bridge, and there was alligators, but somehow he didn't die. How?
So Bob was crossing a bridge.
You can say any name, it doesn't matter.
Oh, so a person was crossing a bridge, and underneath the bridge there was a bunch of alligators.
Hey, maybe we'll do that later, VIP cleaners.
Are you?
instead
And
of
that's
the
how he
werewolves.
didn't die. All right.
He was on
Tom
the
says he was
bridge.
on the bridge.
But alligators are on the bridge.
The alligators are on the bridge. They're not under the bridge. And the question is, how did he get across?
He was in...
He was in the bridge.
You think the elephant's name was Bob, VIP cleaners? That is funny.
That is kind of funny.
Okay, one more answer. One more, then I'll say.
I've never heard this one, so I don't
You
think-
have.
I don't
you
remember
just
it
don't
being
remember
this drawn
it.
out. Carefully.
You cross from
Ooh.
under the bridge.
Ah, thinking outside the box. Yeah,
The
Zishan said it
correct
too.
answer was the alligators were at the party.
But you said they were on the bridge.
They used to be on the bridge.
No. That's the joke?
No, there's one more part.
You just said there was one more part.
Well,
last
this
time.
is still the part.
Oh.
But they still managed to. But Bob still managed to die. How?
Oh, Bob. Okay, so Bob still died. How did Bob die? I think they're wondering where the joke is.
It's at the bridge still. He went to the party now.
That'd be an interesting way to die.
Hey,
Crossing the
there
bridges
could
with
be a tiger
alligators.
there.
Yeah, there could be a tiger there.
And the
Bob died
alligators are
because
there.
he was in the fridge too long. Hit by a brick. Ooh. Did Tom get that right?
Yes. He got hit by the brick from falling off the plane.
Ah, the long drawn
On
out
his
joke.
head.
Ah, Tom figured it out. Oh, here's the news at 10. That was the joke? Yeah.
Good job.
Good job, Tom.
VIP cleaners, you did this all.
So a bit of a boner candle there at 10 o'clock, but apparently that was a little bit of a fake out because now we're going down. So right to green to red. What do I win? The settings are 13 and 4, yes. 13 MA, 4 coefficient. I'm pretty sure they call it coefficient. Let me see. I'll make sure and see. Yeah, the coefficient of channel's width is 4. And as you're going to see, see all this volume that just came in? and how the price is up and down like that. Like, look how the band's expanded quickly. That's what it's doing in the pre-market, and it takes like 15 minutes for it to really kind of even itself out. I should have took that on the My Fund of Futures eval, but it really didn't give us a setup. I mean, we didn't even hit the bands one way or the other. We just kind of went right back into the range. All right, let me scroll back up. Hopefully my son's joke entertained you for a second there. I got one for you. You guys have probably heard it before. If a guy comes into town on Friday, so he comes into town, this is back in the day in the Wild Wild West, so he's on a horse. So he's riding a horse and he comes into town on Friday and he leaves 2 days later on Friday. How is that possible? I think I gave it away with my explanation, but I'm pretty sure most of you have probably heard that one before anyway. Guys on a horse comes into town on Friday, leaves 2 days later on Friday. How is it possible? So somebody asked me a question. I'm trying to scroll up and find it. What do you think about My Fund of Futures? They do resets on live accounts up to 3 times. Oh, okay. Is that true? Oh, you know what? I never checked my... Oh, he hasn't answered me yet. Maybe he's trying to find the answer. Oh, and Take Profit Trader. Okay, so that's not... Okay. I didn't know that, actually. I use Take Profit Trader, so... Actually, I think they just... Yeah, Steve's heard that one before. The horse's name is Friday. Did you need me, Steve? Or Steve, Dave? Alright, I think he's... Yeah,
We're kind of running low, though. Thanks. Are you live?
yeah. What's up?
Show you the sock. See it.
Yeah.
They're perfect. Height on them is perfect.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of those. I wear these
I know.
guys.
I hate those. I like them, but I hate them.
I don't hate these. Like, these are ones I would wear to, like, softball and stuff. But that's it.
Well, I like that area there
Yeah.
to keep my ankle warm.
So I'm the other way. I get hot real quick, so I'm, like, the complete opposite. Time traveler. That would be the illogical answer. All right, so he sent me to an article, Understanding Microscalping. So it says trades are typically held for less than 15 seconds, aiming for profit margins of less than 5 points, executing a large number of trades within a short time frame, tight stops and limits using very tight stop loss, and take profit orders. So regular scalping, it says, involve holding trades for a slightly longer period, typically a few minutes, and aiming for larger profit margins such as 5 to 10 points. Micro scalping, it says, trades last only a few seconds and target very small profits, often less than 5 points. The strategy relies heavily on low slippage and perfect market conditions, making it less reliable in real-world trading scenarios. So that's what it sounds like to me. As long as you're over that 5 point mark, that you'll be fine. So they give a bunch of examples as well. And they're all micro scalps. Let me see. 10, 10. So literally $10, $10. These are all profit 20, 15, 30, 20, 20. Yeah, they're really just looking for ones that are just, it sounds like if you stay above the 20 ticks, you should be fine. Yeah, as far as the ES, I don't know. Maybe that's just, I don't know if it is across every every commodity? I mean, I would assume so. So maybe you just have to start trading the NQ. I mean, I don't know what to tell you there. That's a good question. Let me ask him.
Nothing less, you check as I'm chest, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold an obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, Could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody and stained from the people who deceive me.
Alright, just ask him that question, let's see what he says.
Instead of searching inside for what they gave him, a strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life, better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss, just my life and free thoughts. Could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me.
I think GME is almost up to 25 today. That's good. Might have to roll that again. If I do, I'd try to maybe go up to 27. We'll see if we actually get up to 25 at some point. Definitely gonna try to take advantage of the premiums while they're big. If NQ breaks 300, next stop isn't until 360s. I mean, honestly, I think if we break this, oh, we did already break it. Oh, that was on the news though. Notice how when we came back up, we touched it correctly. That's the spot off the hourly. So yeah, wow, it went directly to 300. Talk about having a bunch of liquidity there, probably. That's funny. So 300, yeah, if we break that, we're probably going to all-time highs. I have the line drawn. All-time highs is up here. I don't know, this isn't exact. I can make it exact. Let's see. 371. It looks like it. No, that can't be right. Is it? It says the high is 371 of this candle, so yeah, it must be. Settings. 371. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, no, it looks like it went. Let me scroll in here. I mean, it says 2371, but it looks like it wicked through there when I draw the line there. So, I don't know. I'll leave it there because that's what it says on the hourly chart or daily chart. But maybe it went through there in pre-market. I don't know. It looks like it wicked through there at some point. But it'll be somewhere around there. 370, 380, something like that. Democrats want Biden out the race for this week. Yeah, have you seen a lot of the videos surfacing of him with the where it's from his debate 4 years ago and then the debate this year, or just like from his rallies and stuff this year versus his rallies 4 years ago? It's scary. Like he's like a totally different person. I mean, he took a huge turn for the worst. I don't understand how they seriously think that he's fit for another 4 years. It doesn't make any sense. FOMC minutes. That's not today. It can't be today, can it? I thought the market closes at 1. It does say 2 o'clock, but I don't think the market's open. So I think all that will be tomorrow. Is the market even open tomorrow? I don't even know. How does that work? Let me find someone that's released the hours and stuff. All right, so market closes July 3rd at 1:15, but then reopens. And so it's the same thing. So it'll open at 6 p.m. again, but then it closes tomorrow at 1. So the market's actually open tomorrow. So we'll see. We might come tomorrow, we might not. Obviously, I would not be looking for anything particular tomorrow because I don't think anyone's going to be here. Hey, be sure. Okay. Yeah, so it closes at 1:15 Eastern today, and then it closes at 1 p.m. Eastern tomorrow. Reopen 6 p.m. both days. So keep that in mind. Yeah, so they're releasing the numbers at 2, but we have no way of trading them because the market will be closed. FOM, so DT's giving us a tidbit of knowledge here. So the FOMC notes always come out 2 weeks after the FOMC meeting, no matter the date. So it just so happens to fall on a day where the market will be closed at 2 p.m. Apex does not consider tomorrow trading day. Yeah, I mean, I get that. It's not that big of a deal. I'm actually well over on my trading days. Now of course I wish I would have copy traded my other account because I would be that much closer. But I have more than enough in the trading days department on that account. It's just a matter of getting the account to pay out. Actually, that's not true. I only have 8 trading days on that account. I thought I would have had more than that. So I have 8 trading days on the number 19 account and 9, which is now going to be 10, even though that one's not going to matter because that's the one that we took the loss on originally. All right, I'm gonna try something, and I might have to disable it. But I want to see if it works. You guys will have to tell me. I should be able to see if it works, but I haven't figured out a way. So it does look like it worked. Also, it didn't save my camera settings from yesterday. So yeah, I was trying to come up with I put 2 in there, but I have no way to like limit them. So that's kind of where I'm at with that. Yeah. goes the Apex charts. It didn't work for you? It popped up saying cha-ching. I wonder if there's like a delay, a natural delay on it. Oh, it worked for you. I heard it. I went back and listened. So I can't hear it in my headphones. What are you talking? I just heard it. I heard it on the stream. I was waiting for Frogos to go through. I haven't heard. Oh, there it is. Yeah. But yeah, so like when you guys do it, yeah, I didn't add the bang back. But that's what I'm saying. I can't hear it in my headphones when it goes off, but I can see it in OBS working. I don't understand why. I haven't figured that part out yet. I spent way too long trying to even figure out how to do what I did. Because the idea was to bring back the idea. I used to do this when I was on Twitch, where you could like scare the living daylights out of me. That bang was so loud. But yeah, as long as those don't get abused, I'll leave it there. I plan on adding more at some point, but I really wanted to figure out how I can hear it so I know when you guys do it. That was kind of the whole point. Oh, sir, you underestimate me. Also, suggestions on what I should use. There goes the Apex again.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
You have an apple that tastes like pussy? Do I have an apple that tastes like pussy? Is that what you're talking about? That tastes like shit! Turn it around.
Oh my god. Oh man, hold on, let me set this up. Oh, I hope I don't get in trouble for this, but I can't not show it to you. So they responded saying 5 points on ES would be considered a very safe option to go with. So I don't know what that means. All right. Let me pause the music. Yeah, studio mode options. Oh. Oh, I screwed that up. Come on. There we go. Oh, I'm gonna have to pause Methodical Man too. Hold on. I'll just mute him. All right. Oh, where'd it go? All right, let me go back to here. Yeah, okay, here we go. Here we go.
Got it. There you go.
I said I wanted a rum and coke.
Let's try the apple, buddy.
Tastes like rum.
Well, yeah, turn it around.
Oh God, it tastes like coke. This is amazing.
You're welcome.
I get a gin and tonic.
You got it. Gin and tonic. Enjoy.
I asked for a gin and tonic.
Trust me, it's worth it.
Oh, it tastes like gin.
There you go. Turn it around.
Oh, it tastes like tonic. It's like my favorite way to get drunk now.
It's amazing.
Hey, buddy, what can I get for you?
1 sec, can't decide.
Sure.
No matter what you want, this guy's got an apple for every taste.
Yeah, just believe, man. Order one.
Jeez. Okay. In that case, do you have an apple that tastes like pussy?
Do I have an apple that tastes like pussy? Is that what you're talking about?
That tastes like shit.
Turn it around.
It's like I'm back in Thailand.
Get a rum and coke.
Oh my god. Oh, that one got me pretty good. That was good. uh Now the market sees the turn around. Oh, that was a good one. That was a good one. And let me unmute Methodical. Good morning, Fred. Oh, I missed the open. Was it good? Yeah, Ray. The market pretty much went straight up at the open. That was good. Pretty big move down here. See if we can get down there to the bands. Oh, I need to switch back over there. If we went straight to green to red there, I probably hit the button, even though we weren't quite at the bands. Such a big move down, straight into a key area. Definitely would have been something I'm interested in. Would have worked out right away. Ah, it's frustrating. It did exactly what I thought it would do there, bouncing off this green to red, but it didn't quite get to the green to red. You saw me hovering over the button. I was ready to hit it. Yeah, I'm not planning on chasing anything. I was just really hoping to get this to pay out by the 5th to request it. We'll sit here till 1. We'll be patient. I just thought that might have been our shot there. Yeah, pretty much. We just went negative on Delta, so we might have another lower move in the works. We shall see. Oh, GDT's live today. I didn't know he was live today. Who else is live today? No one else is live today. I don't see Alpine's not here. David's not here. Matt's not here. It's like no one's here. Am I on the wrong page here? Where is everybody today? 34 likes. Oh, we got a half hour. We need to get 50 people, 50 likes. Let's go. We're almost at 50 people. We got 47, it says. I'll let that run to 1 o'clock. If we can get up to 50 people and 50 likes by 1 o'clock, we'll run it. All I gotta do is see 50 likes and be at 50 concurrent viewers. And we'll run some marbles. Tell your friends. Ugh. Tell your lovers. Do you have a timer on this WOMP? I don't think so. That's what I'm saying. I need to figure that part out if it starts getting abused. I can't hear it, so it's really on you guys at this point. Whether you guys annoy yourselves. I don't understand why I can't hear it, but it sends it to OBS, but it does not send it to me. By the way, Methodical, I think Husk is doing a giveaway for $100 today. But you have to be, it's going to be on his channel. The link is in Methodical Man's channel to his stream if you want to get involved in a giveaway that they're definitely going to do. I don't know exactly when they're going to do it or how they're going to do it, but it's going to be on Husk's stream, so you have to be over there. Right now he's only got 17 people watching him, so the odds are there, but I'm assuming everybody will come over from Methodicals. Well, we didn't quite get the move we were looking for.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand, and damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and all the doubters, they're just young downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. Let's go. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring. Yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart? Are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs. Are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop
Sorry, I was sitting here talking to GDT about Tesla.
till I wear the crown.
What time the market closed today? 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. 1:15. 1:15 today, 1 o'clock tomorrow.
yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains, I'm the boss, I'm making change, I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a fucking...
I know I get quiet. I'm sitting here talking to GDT, listening to Methodical, and just waiting for the market to do something. We're just hovering around this middle area, so there's nothing for me to do.
Take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent. And it's only a percent, I'm gonna take shots. If I miss off, forget it, I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. Bad energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic.
$22.59.25. Yesterday's high key level. 259. Oh, you're saying that's where we bounced off of here? If my fund of futures new promotion ready, I mean, it's not on the website yet. They said it says in their Discord that they were going to do it by 12 a.m. Eastern this morning, but it's still not on the website. So, hi.
Methodical man.
Methodical man. He can't hear us today.
What is he doing?
He's trading with another guy today. It's his cousin. His name is Husk. So when he's streaming with someone else like this, he can't have the sound of other streams up. So that's all.
But he can still watch it.
He could, yeah.
I guess Mr. Methodical Man won't be with us.
Yeah. All right, guys. If you go over to a Husk stream right now, he's getting ready to start the giveaway.
No, don't leave me.
Well, they're not gonna. They can have more than one open. What settings are you using with the? They're not Bollinger Bands. They're the Keltner channels, and it's the 13 MA. Bless you, and the 4 coefficient. It's 4 standard deviations, but in Quantower they call it coefficient. With everyone out, it might be where we hold even if we go down. Yeah. Thank you, Muffy.
Are you doing the marble thing now?
No. We're entering a giveaway for another guy.
Ooh, can you enter me?
Well, you can just be part of mine. No, I can't. You'd have to be on your account because it's only one per account.
Well, I am going to be you then. But how you gonna join him?
What do you mean?
Are you going to join his on yours?
What are you talking about? Join what? His stream?
No, why are they doing it on yours and not
That's
his?
not mine. This is his. See his.
Yeah.
This is his video. It's a different tab. So like if I go over to this tab, this is mine. So this is my chat. So over here, this is his chat.
I raffle. Mr. Methodical Man. I wish Mr. Methodical Man was here.
Yeah, bub. Huh?
Or a smoothie.
You made a smoothie?
Yeah, and I also had a cherry. More things into it.
That is yummy. You want to try it, Bray?
No,
Super yummy. It
I
tastes
don't
like strawberries. It's just like strawberries. So good.
So why would I eat that? Why would I drink that? I would just go eat strawberries.
And guess what? Cherry.
Yeah, but you can taste the cherry. Must if you squeeze the cherry juice in like I do. I don't know why, but cherry juice tastes good. Okay, I'll see you at 11 is what you said?
Hmm?
11's the fun part you said?
Maybe, yeah. Right around 11.
I'll come in at like 10:50.
Okay. Yeah, let me focus because it looks like I might get a trade here.
Yeah, I'll just finish the episode I'm watching and then I'll come in.
Okay.
Wait, no, because that's stupid. I'll just come in.
The Jura 40. Yeah, we're trying to break out here. Just not quite enough. Obviously would have been looking for the retest of this 300. But now we already got it, so. 326. Oh. Hopefully it does it super fast. JG Trader. Later, man. Have a good rest of your day. Have a good 4th if I don't see you tomorrow. Just not getting that big push, that big shove. I'll go get my a new drink real quick while it figures this out. Born in the USA, greatest country in the world, America. Okay. Tomorrow night is definitely a presentation of America. Did y'all see the Hawk Tua girl did her first podcast? I think a lot of people are going to be turned off of her if they watch the podcast. She is an interesting character, to say the least. All-time highs for America. Everyone goes into 4th of July with a happy face. Wouldn't doubt it if they did something like that. I mean, they're definitely pushing there. Unfortunately, we never got the push. Well, we didn't come this far on the account to just force trades at this point. Maybe just to take a trade, we look for it to bounce off. Looks like I might have already missed the entry. I was gonna say we could try the eval bouncing off this 92 key area. Looks like we might have missed it. Are you looking for entries through the bands? You can DCA one additional? Correct. Yeah, that is correct. I'm looking for it to get to the bands. That's my entry. And then if for some reason I need the second one, it's there. I try to... If there's a second one, it's usually because it's a crazy move. So I'll try to read the price action.
Still recording.
What? Yes. Until I'm done, yeah. I was just going to stay live until the market closes. It's actually at 1:15 today and then 1 tomorrow.
It's open tomorrow?
Yeah, I guess. I mean, I don't think anyone's going to be here. I'm not going to get on, but I mean, maybe I'll like be here for like the first 10-15 minutes, but just to see what it does. But yeah, it's looking like I don't know why this like randomly doesn't work now. Why? It's like it tries. I'm coming. There it goes. Was that goofy?
I figure we can get them one.
Pizza and fries. It's no different than eating some here. He's already drank a healthy smoothie.
12 o'clock lunch. Brayden, could you hold off on lunch till
We just eat a snack or something.
and then you can get now?
Should probably call them to make sure that they're actually open. I didn't even think about that.
Okay, Danny's gonna call to make sure.
They might not even be open yet. It says holiday hours.
I mean, it isn't the 4th.
Well, it says 4th of July is holiday hours. Well, it just says closed. It says today 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. Right? Yeah, I'll call real quick.
That is gonna make sure to be good to go to be there on 1:30.
move on.
Well, I'm waiting for Husk to do his giveaway, and then we'll do a marbles race.
And I answered.
I mean, yeah.
Hey, Dad. Actually, after this, after you play, can I do the marbles thing? We didn't have a chance yesterday.
What marbles thing?
Thing where you said I could do it on my own. That I could do it after you're done working yesterday, but we were too busy.
I don't know what you're talking about with the marbles thing.
But the giveaway thing.
What giveaway thing?
That thing.
Well, Bob, there's not going to be anything to win today. We didn't hit our 50 viewers, 50 likes, so we're just going to be playing for fun.
Yeah.
I still don't know what you're talking about, though.
That thing.
What thing?
But thing you said.
The giveaway?
Mm-hmm.
Well, we're gonna do. That's gonna on Friday is the big one.
Yeah, I know.
What do you want to do with it? That's what I'm confused.
No, we already figured that out. Yesterday you said I could do it on my own and play around with it.
Oh, like go in the game and play around with it?
Yes.
There's really nothing to play around with.
Okay, so.
I guess that's why I don't understand, because there's really nothing to like play around with.
We still want to do.
We can talk about that later.
Okay.
That would have to be after bowling, because I'm going to be live until the market closes, and then when the market closes, we're going to go bowling.
Yeah, but.
It's like a double top.
Yeah, but I'm getting bowling at 1:30.
Yeah.
So 2 hours.
Yeah, but I'm going to be live, hopefully finding a trade until then, until we leave.
I know.
Okay.
So I can do it.
That's what I said, after bowling.
When will you start? Oh, yeah. 100 giveaway 500 souls. Yeah, but he doesn't have 500 subs yet.
What?
He said 100 in the title. It says $100 giveaway.
I think he was just hoping to get to 500 subs. Which I think that number changed. It just didn't, I'll say it didn't update.
Yeah, that number changed by 100. Maybe if I do one of these, that would happen.
Yeah. Alright, come on. Well, you can stand there. Just stop touching my chair. I hate when you do that because it moves my hand.
Hug.
You can always have a hug.
Which one's the day one?
The one up there. See how it says.
Geez, it's been
time.
that much days.
Oh, the market's been open for a very long time, bud. Way before even I was born.
Oh, that's why.
Yeah, but you're only seeing like, that's probably like 50 days, maybe a little bit more.
Gee. But why is the market even up there?
You guys trying to sniff viewers from Methodical Man's stream? Who said that? Why did you ask?
Methodical Man.
Who said that? Who said that? That was Pine Tree Trader.
Oh, I wanted to see Mr. Methodical.
Well, I'm waiting for Mr. Husk to do his giveaway, but there's Methodical Man.
Mr. Methodical Man.
Here, I'll tell him you're here. Hi, Mr. Methodical Man. This is Braden. I'll tell you what he says. I'm sure he's going to answer here, not there. He said, "What's up, Braden? How's it going?"
Good.
Hit enter.
Methodical Man. Methodical Man.
He just said, "Braden's in the house."
Oh, Lord.
Stop touching the mic.
What? Why are you doing that?
Just being funny.
So who's filming the one with both?
That's Mr. Methodical Man.
You need to say when will this start?
Right, not too close. Kick you out.
Alrighty, it's been 6 minutes.
Oh, I'm waiting on them. I'm waiting on them.
Is anyone even in your live stream right now?
Yeah.
What?
Yes.
Where?
Wait, what'd you ask?
Is anyone even in your live stream right now because of this?
36, 38 people.
There's 50 likes.
Yeah, but there's not 50 people.
Okay, maybe
He's about to do his giveaway.
Can I listen?
You can see. It doesn't really matter. They're just gonna pick a winner and then that's it.
Oh. Did you win?
No, this foo guy won.
Okay, now let's do your giveaway.
Well, mine's not gonna be a giveaway. It's just gonna be a race.
Well, maybe there's 50 people now.
Hit your target paint bar? Nice, good stuff.
If you count me, there would be 49. Wait, no, 39. And you are counting me, right? Look what Bob means says.
What?
Look what Bob said.
Yeah, he said that a while ago. That's when I told him it wasn't going to be a giveaway.
Yeah, but you could have been entered in this one too. Okay, let's start ours. Well, the race thing. So the fun part of the day is at 11 through 12.
Yeah.
Good job, Bob. Now Bob's my favorite one on your channel, right? No, right now.
I'm just buying your love.
Yeah. Yay, Bob. Mr. Bob. Has Bob watched the Minions movie that came out? The Bob?
Maybe.
Because there's a Bob in it. Whoa, I didn't even win Huck's giveaway. Hey, it's Trading for Science.
Yeah, it's Mr. Zishan.
He's back. Do you seriously know everyone's names on your channel?
Just the ones that are here a lot.
I told you.
Well, Zishan, there's 4 winners, so go back.
There's 4 winners. Where you won?
Oh, Fabe won. Nice.
Who's Fabe?
He's a guy that is in the stream every once in a while.
Oh, we see yours yesterday.
Yeah, he was in here yesterday.
Oh yeah, I remember him. Wasn't his name Fabe too?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. I remember him. Yay, Fabe.
Good morning, R. Crawford. How are you? We're just watching this giveaway over here. Right? No. That's wrong. Who you trying to talk to?
I was going to say yay, Fabe.
No, it's okay.
Why can't I?
I'll do it. You know, I've seen her in Methodical stream. I don't think she's ever come into arms. Feeling good about marbles this morning? Yeah, we'll get there in a sec.
We're not doing
I was
money
letting Huck
though.
finish his giveaway.
Yeah, you can win, that's why. I am doing well.
I was hoping we'd get a trade, but this market is not cooperating. I think we just don't have enough volume to get the push that we're looking for.
Fabe.
Nice, that's good to hear, Crawford. I'm the real good bad boy. That video was pretty funny. The delivery was spot on.
Say anyone in the chat that was here yesterday except Trading for Science.
Yeah.
No one else is here.
Say that again?
So Trading for Science is only one here from yesterday.
No, there are a bunch that are here from yesterday. They just don't talk all the time. Some people just watch.
Unless if it's one of your giveaways, they obviously.
Yeah. Market Froggo's got a question for you.
What?
Do you like dino nuggies?
Yes.
Like you to find me a kid that doesn't like dino nuggies. Yeah, looks like they got all their winners.
Or human?
No, we did not win.
No. Methodical man. I'm falling because of you. I choose you, fishy. Any trades today? Someone asked. Someone asked a question.
Yeah, we did have one trade at the open, just the normal open trade.
Did you win?
I'm hoping to get a trade on the other accounts, yeah.
Don't you get money if you get it right?
Yes.
Don't you lose money if you get it wrong?
Yep, that's how trading works.
Then why do you do this job?
Because I like it.
You like losing money. Almost every day you lose money.
Well.
And you're mad.
Oh, you don't. The idea is when you do lose to try to not get mad so that you can control your emotions. But yes.
You do get really mad when you lose.
I don't get really mad. I do get upset. I wouldn't say I get mad.
You do get mad sometimes.
Yeah.
I can name like at least 10 times that you got mad.
Yeah. Aaron, welcome to the channel. My strategy, I trade the open and then I also trade these Keltner channel bands. So basically, if we can go up into these bands, I'll be looking for a reversal off of those bands.
Someone said my son eats McDonald's chicken nuggets at least
once a day. Holy
day.
Smokes! My kid, they eat McDonald's here and there, but they're not that spoiled.
I mean, they are. I guess it is healthy.
I wouldn't say they're like healthy, but they are protein, which something you lack. You lack eating protein.
I get mad.
Yeah, no problem, Aaron. I mean, I could dive more into it, but that's the premise.
Didn't you say you would start your giveaway after Huss does his giveaway?
Well, I was hoping we'd get a trade here, because we're kind of coming up to key level.
Can't you just...
Chick-fil-A nuggets are better? See? See? Everyone says Chick-fil-A nuggets are better.
Boo, Chick-fil-A.
For some reason, he does not like Chick-fil-A nuggets. He's the only person on planet Earth I know that doesn't like Chick-fil-A nuggets.
I know some people that don't like Chick-fil-A nuggets.
Who?
Me.
Yeah, you. That's it. One person.
Wendy's nuggets.
Yeah, he does like Wendy's. And he likes Wendy's, McDonald's, Dino Nuggies. Yeah, he's confused how you don't like Chick-fil-A nuggets.
Why don't you like Chick-fil-A?
He won't even try them again. He used to eat them as a kid all the time. Like,
the last time I tried them, I hate them.
I think you were just
remember
having a
that
bad
one
day.
time when I threw it in the vent?
Yeah, I think you were just having a bad day.
No, I wasn't.
You need to try them again.
I seriously threw it into the vent because I didn't want it. Does he like the wings? No. What about sushi? I don't eat sushi.
Yeah, I don't. He will. He will eventually. As he gets older, he'll start trying things again and realize he likes them. I was like him growing up. I was very picky with what I ate. Growing up, I would literally eat biscuits and chicken chicken tenders. That was like the only thing I ate growing up. And now I eat everything.
Oh, you're starting the marble thing.
Yeah. Exclamation point marbles in the chat if you want to participate.
Can I type it in for us?
Sure, good. Exclamation point. So shift and the number 1. And then marbles. M-A. You can spell it out.
Wait, no, it's M.
Just sound it out. I'll cheat. Well, if you need to know, I'll just tell you. R-B...
R-B...
L-E-S. Nice, Steve. Good stuff.
We're entered.
Better late than never, right?
We got entered.
To be honest, if it's food I eat, Rayu, yeah, I feel you. Rayu, it's kind of against the ideology of what I'm going for as far as it, the idea is just to have one person per account kind of thing. Because like when we're doing it for money, it's not fair to others who don't have the ability or the time or the effort to put in for multiple accounts. Yeah.
But when we're doing it for fun,
I can't stop you from doing it, but I mean,
it's unfair.
Yeah.
And if you win,
it's kind of the honors rule, honor system.
Okay, I'm not a scammer.
You're not a scammer schemer? Skimmer? Zishan said I am. Zishan, no shame. He doesn't even try to hide it. Yeah, we're just playing for fun, Steve.
So do whatever. You can have multiple accounts.
Yeah, we're not playing for money. We're just playing for fun.
Can you enter me as like 5 accounts?
Oh, here, get up. I gotta go to the bathroom.
Well, I'm entering myself.
No,
as
you're
5
not doing
accounts.
anything. Do not touch anything.
I'm not. I'm gonna be here entertaining them. I have a chance to win. Yes, you do VIP clearance if you have multiple accounts. I do definitely. Even I don't even think I can carry that. Or VIP clearance.
Alright, get up. Look, you already messed my cushion up.
Yeah, because I sit like that.
You need... It's
You
always
need
so
2
annoying.
for me.
I need 2? It wouldn't fit. No. Move. Brandon, come on, man.
Well, you need it to be straight.
I know. I need to just buy a chair that has it built in.
Why is there still glass there?
It's made out of glass. Stop touching it.
Well, last time I checked, there wasn't any glass. But if you need to clean the stuff in there,
Then I take it off.
that makes sense.
I'd love to see a push. Yeah, that's what you get. You know she was going to go for it. Don't be mad at her. Grab a fish and put it in his chair. New all-time highs for July 4th? Oh, 100% that's what they're going for. I'd be very surprised if we don't get there.
I beat her butt up.
Bullseye, nice. Good job. I didn't see you post anything in the chat. I was wondering where you were. No, not right now.
Hug. I will get out.
Look, you cannot keep using that. No, I'll give you a hug standing. You're not gonna keep tricking me. No, Ray. All right now. You just sat on my lap for the last half hour.
No, I wasn't. It's actually your fault.
It was
for
11
not
o'clock.
Starting.
It was 11 o'clock. It's fine.
You should start it now. You're at 11.
I did start it, Bray. They're entering.
Oh. How about new all-time high for July 4th?
Oh, that's pretty funny.
I'm a ghost. Methodical man.
All right, let's try. We'll try and find a new race today, a new
We'll do
track.
that one.
The bullseye one. It's not that fun, actually.
I wanna.
Well, we'll do it for fun because we can just run it back because it's a quick one.
Yeah. We'll do 2.
We'll do 2 races for fun. We'll do a cutoff at 11:30. 11:30.
How do we have more likes than viewers?
Because people will come in, watch for a little bit, like it, and then they leave. So that's how.
So maybe they should stay.
Well, if they would have stayed, then we might have had an actual giveaway. Can you not pull on the curtains? Why are you being this way today?
I don't know, because I'm bored.
Well, go do something.
I'm here helping you
You're-
film your video. Like you always do. Well, this is my 3rd time doing this. I've been in your videos multiple times.
I understand that, Bray, but I actually need to focus when I'm actually trading. I need to focus. I can't be talking to you
Okay,
and
you
doing.
never trade. Because it's rare
not
for
always
you
true.
to trade.
You know how many times I missed trades when I was trading stocks because of you guys? Well, I mean, you guys were my main priority back then, but I would miss so many trades because I was too busy taking care of you guys. But right now, when I'm asking you to not bother me, you should understand that you shouldn't bother me.
Well, right now you're doing.
Right now, it doesn't matter because I'm not anywhere near a trade,
And you
but
said
I
at
was
11
5
I
minutes
could come
ago.
in.
I do. Yes, I said you could come in and watch, not try to take over the stream.
I
And
always do that to help you. Hey, I'm gonna do the bullseye one.
we're going to. I'm looking for the second one. I think I might do this one.
This, either this one or that one.
No, that one. We've done this one. It stinks. It's just like a long straight track, and it doesn't do anything.
Oh, that one looks cool. Speed run.
Yeah, I don't want super fast ones. If you do them super fast, they're not that fun. I think this is the one that was boring.
The sprint. Yeah, I don't think that one would be good. Twisting tumble. Oh, that one would be fun. Twisting tumble.
I know there's one where it's just like a straight shot. I wonder if it's this one. Let me go take a look at it. But there's like a bunch of boulders. This is literally just a straight shot.
Yeah, but there's 3 laps.
It can't be 3 laps. How would you... I see it says that, but it doesn't turn around. It's just a straight shot. How can it be a lap?
Maybe you go forward, then you go backwards somehow. Maybe there's something that boosted you backwards.
Let's see. Let me just... I can just hit one.
on your lap one. You just speeding yourself up.
Hey bro, hope all is well. Had a good day today. Took longs from the open and went for a ride. Sweet. 624 times 10. Let's go. Waiting on my payout request withdrawal on the first 10. Hopefully it all goes well. Man, you're killing it, Melo. Keep it up. Good stuff.
It does.
I raised my daughter until age 3 and traded at the same time. I got no hair left on my head. Yeah. I've been raising them. I started trading. It was... He was 1. Yeah, he was 1. And we hadn't even had our other one yet. He was on the way. So it looks like there's some back and forth. I don't know what's making it go back and forth, but...
Or it could just be straight and then there's like a lap thing.
But I don't think there's any... It's about the end. I don't know. It's 9, 5... Oh yeah, look, there's an end right here. I don't think there's actual laps. I think it just says that.
Actually.
Yeah, that one's not fun.
No.
Main menu. Yeah, have a good 4th if I don't talk to you tomorrow. I know there's one.
Yeah, but Dad, do you even film on 4th of July?
I haven't decided yet. If I do show up tomorrow, it'll be for maybe a half hour or so. I guess it depends on if I wake up or not.
No, you're gonna wake up because I'm gonna wake you up.
You know, I went into my room last night and I went to lay down and you were laying in my spot. I almost laid on you. I didn't even know you were there. I even told Alexa to turn the lights on and you didn't, it didn't wake you up.
Was Mommy there?
No, she wasn't upstairs yet.
Yeah. Subscribers. That one's too boring.
Yeah.
I think
yeah, happy 4th to
entered.
everybody. Looking still to add the 11 accounts you mentioned. It's max on VOLA, but was trying to find out, do I need to buy copier for them to trade all 11 like I did on Apex? So if you want to trade them at the same time as Apex, you would have to buy the advanced features on Quantower.
Ooh, we could do the Royale.
Nah, I don't want to do the Royale. But if you're looking to trade them separately, you can do it separately. You just log out of Apex on Quantower and then log into Buellnox, and then you wouldn't have to pay for it. Please, for the last time, stop bumping into my chair. You do it again, I'm going to ask you to leave. Marble Adventure. When is... I'm doing Marbles... Oh yeah, I guess it is 11:30. Alright, I'll cut it off, sorry. I was looking for another track. I will say what's up. Alright, let's see how many we got here. Add names, clear. Open. All right, we got 29. I'm gonna add my son.
The 30. The 30.
So we got 30. All right, we'll do this one, and then we will do another one. We'll find a race to do.
I'm gonna do the Royale.
Oh, I typed the wrong one again. We're not doing that. Well, we could do the Royale too, I guess.
Yeah, let's do that.
All right, so this one, you just go down into the Plinko. It doesn't matter where you are because it doesn't matter who finishes first. It's who finishes closest to the bullseye. So that's all that really matters in this one.
So it doesn't matter where you are.
Correct, yeah.
So why doesn't it just go straight in the bullseye?
Well, I guess they want to give you a little bit of fun beforehand, I guess.
Ooh, I'm in 5th.
So being in first has nothing to do with this one. So if you're first one to the bullseye, you kind of wasted being first. But you do have, if you hit dead square first, you can't be beat at that point. So there is an advantage to being launched first, but you still got to be the closest to the middle, so it doesn't matter.
I'm in fifth. I'm in
Please stop hitting
but I
my
was
chair.
pointing.
So point from further away. All right, Youssef is in. Close to the middle. Not quite. Brayden, you hit his marble. Who's going to be closest? The open is still open. The middle is still open. Oh, there it was. Micah at the end there. Oh, look at Ivan. Perfect shot. Almost dead square. Looks like Ivan's going to be the winner there. I thought Micah might have bounced into the open there, or middle. Ivan Austin, congrats. Good stuff.
No, let's.
All right, let's do a Royale, and then we'll find one more race. Let's see which one you want to do. Let's do that. We've never done this one. Let's do this.
Yeah,
one.
that's what I was gonna say.
You should still be in there.
Everyone should be in there.
Yeah. All right, this is a Royale. So let's see who wants to kill who.
I see me.
Oh, DT, you weren't in there? Oh, well. You'll live.
We're gonna do another one.
All right, so let's take a look on the right side here.
I see me.
This kind of looks like a cricket field.
I already killed someone.
What? It didn't say it on the side. It still says 30 out of 30.
I thought I killed
There, so there's our first one. Jocko taking out Trading for Science.
Whoa, my.
What is going on here?
I'm still alive. I'm still alive.
Oh, there's like some bombs that drop. Still only one. There you go. Micah taking out Muhammad. Oh, it's getting rid of rings. It's like an arena where it gets closer and closer. Oh, can you fall off the edge? Oh, you can. Oh, crazy. I like this.
I'm alive.
I guess if you shoot too far. So it. Oh, there you go, Brayden. Bye-bye.
Dad.
I didn't do it. It's random. This is cool. What do they call this in the game? I always forget. In Fortnite, what do they call this? I know it's like last man standing kind of thing. Oh, Muffy the cat went for the kill but got knocked off, and there's a bomb. Okay, I like this. Okay, so you get knocked. Oh, get back on there, Josh. Get back on. Ivan, get back on. Oh, Ivan's gone. Oh, this is crazy. Getting closer and closer here.
I want this.
Oh, this is my favorite one. I like this one. Bullseye going out.
Wait, no, I want trading.
Stop hitting my chair.
I want trading for science store.
Oh, you don't want to be on the outside. Josh, get back in there. Bullseye. Oh, so close. Oh, Fatty Bar gone. Skeletor gone. Smitty gone.
Go market.
Oh, Kevin, close to the edge there. We're getting close. Oh, Fletcher. Oh, Fletcher just hanging on. Bomb over there to the side.
Frog.
Oh, Market Frog gone.
VIP cleaners.
Oh, here we go. I'm still in there too.
You're
So it looks like there's no destroying each other. It's just falling off. Oh, Steve, you were so close.
Dad, you're on the edge.
Oh, Bullseye and Fletcher gone. Kevin Baker
Top
gone.
10 situation.
Top 10. Nico gone. Paint bar too far. Steve gone. Oh, we're all going by. We're down to the top 3. Saber Josh. Oh, Saber knocking Josh off. Oh, that Micah. Oh, that was a. Oh, Saber's gonna win. That was fun. I like that one. That one might have to be the one that we do from now on. That was good. All right, let's do one more race.
Would it be cool?
Let's do one more race. I want to do. I saw the one. No, because it might pick one of the bad ones. I saw one that I want to do.
I want to do a speedrun ones. No, go to the bottom.
No, there was one I had in my mind. There it is.
Oh, that one?
Yeah, because you can get knocked around a lot. I know there's one where there's like a bunch of boulders. I have to find that one. Oh, I forgot to hit the bots.
Really, Dad?
I misclicked. Hold on.
Bad boy.
I thought it looked different. That's why I couldn't find it. I thought it was the ice one. All right, so this one, it's got a bunch of the wishy-washies. A bunch of those guys. So you got to get through them. Good luck.
Hey, I was at the top.
Plinko. Oh, someone just got knocked out. Oh, they went right back in, though. I didn't even know that could happen.
Maybe if you get knocked out...
I'm out to an early lead with Muffy the cat.
I'm in 9. But now I'm gone.
There we go. Who's going to get through first? Muffy the cat, Bullseye, and myself. Bullseye going into the second one. Second one's here. Muffy and Bullseye. Muffy the cat just slicing through these like he knows he's got the cheat codes on here. Oh, he's in the washer. He got through. Did not get hit. Switch over this way. Down into the... Still got a bunch of them left. That's kind of the idea. Look at Muffy. Oh, finally gets hit. Muffy finally gets hit. Yusef, however, and Neo. The catch-up factor on this one is great. Got some pegs. You got these. Oh, yeah, there it is. Into the spin cycle. Neo into the second one. There's only 2 more. Neo getting thrown into the third one. All he has to do is get through. And he's through! Look at that. Neo with a commanding lead. All he has to do is not get hung up here. Right around him. Into the win. Muffy did get through. Yusef in third. Oh, look at me coming in fourth, maybe. Do I got some speed to get through these bumps? Gotta hope Muffy and Yusef get caught up here. Oh, Yusef gone. Muffy. Do I get the podium? I'm caught up. Braden's coming close behind. But I got in there for the podium. Third place finish. Braden coming in fourth. Who's up there? Trading for Science and Fletcher. You guys are a little bit behind there.
They're still up there.
Oh, someone just got ejected.
I know.
That was Josh 808.
Can we do this one again? It was fast.
That one is fast.
I want to do it again.
So we had Nico, Bullseye, Skeletor, Smitty, Yusef, and Aichietio.
The funny part
Steve,
is,
what are you doing back there?
I was at the top when it started, and I came
Steve,
in first.
Steve's racing the fire. Steve's racing the fire. Go, Steve. No, don't get hit by the fire. Go, Steve. Oh.
Again.
All right, Braden wants to do that one again. We'll do that one again. It was quick.
I got 4th place.
There we go. Plinko. Pew, 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 pew. Who's going to be the first to pass the diamond? Zishan, Bullseye, Muffy the cat. It's like they have a cheat code. They know what they're doing. Straight through. Bullseye getting caught up, though. Ivan, Nico, Bullseye, and the Ghost Marble. We now have a Ghost Marble, which is Neo.
Dad, you're not in the top 10. I am.
There's a lot of catch-up factor. All you got to do is get through these spin cycles pretty quickly, and you can catch up. I'm pretty far back there, though. So are you.
Now I am.
First one's down. Josh, Unique, Ivan.
I wasn't.
Into the final spin cycles. Josh with a nice little path through. It's going to go into the final 3. Got pegs. Oh, he got pegged, but he got through. Into the second one. Oh, he went straight through the first time. That was interesting. Oh, but he gets shot into the third one. And gets shot around into the fourth one. He's already done. All he has to do is avoid the pegs. Can he beat the record? It's going to be close. 17, 18, 19. Oh, he was right there. He just missed it, I think. Josh was first. Oh, wait. That was actually not Josh. That was the ghost ball. Josh still won, though. Bob Means looking like he's going to come in second unless he gets tied up. Actually, Saber was going to come in second, but got tied up. Oh, I came in 5th. See? Catch-up factor.
I'm in last.
Fatty, Ivan, Bullseye, Crawford, and Trading for Science. Oh, no, you're not. You're right there. I'm sure Steve's in last again. We just got to find him. He is back there, but it looks like Jocko might be caught up back there. Let's go take a look.
Yeah, Jocko is.
Jocko having a bit of trouble. He's going to get demolished here. Same with Paint Bar. Youssef is going to get caught as well, it looks like. Kevin, Youssef, Muhammad, Smitty, the fire's coming. Don't let the fire get you. Don't let the fire get you.
Hey, trading for
Stop hitting my arm. Nope, trading for science one flying. There he goes. Out into the fields. Alright, that was fun.
Okay. Bye. See you tomorrow if you films.
GG's.
Still doing fun part.
Well, I'm staying until 1 o'clock, like I said I was, but
I know,
I'm going to be
but
done with marbles.
So we're done with the fun part today?
Yes, we're done with the marbles.
Okay, bye.
Congrats to everybody who won. Sorry it's not for money. Just didn't have enough people here today. I don't like giving out money I don't have. The rich people should be doing that. I give back as much as I can. He's like, okay, bye. No more fun? Okay, bye.
No more fun.
Tell you what, he's an expert at hitting my chair. No doubt about that. Don't do it. We won't go bowling. You're really testing your luck. Yeah, go get a snack or something like you were gonna do.
I know. Just wanna go now.
We're not going now. Mommy's not even off work yet. She doesn't get off until 1 either, so. You wanna go earlier? Go talk to her. If you somehow get her to leave earlier, I'll get off as well, and we'll go. But I highly doubt that's gonna happen. Something with a lot of sugar in it. Yeah, that's all he eats is carbs, so I'm sure it'll have sugar in it.
Sugar.
He's talking about for the snack that I just told you to go get. Let's see how the options are doing. GME's back down. It did get all the way up there to almost 25. 24.89.
What about this snack?
You're good. Yeah.
It's healthy.
You gotta hold it there until it focuses. Oh, you got it backwards. Turn it around. Now you have it upside down. Good, yeah, go this way.
That good.
This way. There you go. This way. There you go. It's the opposite of what you see over there. Alright, go. Go eat. Get out of here. Seriously, get out of here.
No! Bye.
I messed up and sold cost too early. I left 114 on the table. He just ate some of my ice cream yesterday, didn't you, Bray?
Yeah, how do you know I'm here?
They can see you.
Okay.
Froggo said your dad making ice cream in the Ninja for you? Yeah, he's a picky ice cream eater too. But he eats the cherry ice cream that I make.
And vanilla. Those are like
And
the
vanilla,
only...
yeah.
And strawberry. Those are like the only kinds I eat. And yeah.
Go.
Okay.
No one answered me on my Fun of Futures about the 50K account. I don't understand what's going on with that. And it literally said it in their major announcement yesterday. And they haven't updated it or anything. Let me scroll through. Let me scroll through their questions chat and see if anyone has said anything about it. At a price target for 10. Sold in, gotta try to be a bit more patient. All right, so it looks like now they're saying it will be available for purchase tomorrow. So now they've moved it back a day. Yeah, it looks like they're focused on getting it ready for tomorrow. Let's see if we go to all-time highs here. Well, now the bands are above the all-time highs. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. There's 3 all-time highs. Erica. Just couldn't get the push. I mean, I'm not expecting it to today just because holiday, etc. But old DT went up another $4 per share. Damn, that sucks. Boom, target filled, Mela. Nice. Yep, we're at all-time highs. Who would have thought all-time highs going into July 4th? Hey, why'd you throw that tie away? Could have asked first.
Yeah, I thought that after it was in the trash can.
I was literally planning on eating that today.
Well, I ate some of it. Like, I heated the whole thing up.
Yeah, it would have been. So our neighbor that is Indian is hosting 4th of July tomorrow night. He mentioned having an Indian dish there, but I don't know if he's going to or not. But I think it's just going to mainly be like just pizza, chips, etc. Which I've been trying to eat better, so I don't know what I'll be eating. is up with you and Brayden?
The male people are there holding up the good enough.
And Bullseye, you're gonna have to get over that, man. Either stop doing it or stop complaining about it. It's really your only two options. Hindsight is always going to be 2020. Imagine you sold at the top and it's been going down ever since then. You wouldn't be even thinking twice about it. You'd think you're a genius. Do we have the ability to get a big push, or are we just going to grind up below the band? It feels like that's what's happening. One of my biggest regrets when trading stocks was getting out of most of my trades too early. And I think it's a pretty common problem most people have. It's a lot easier to get out when you're green because you don't want to give anything back. But when you're red, it's a lot easier to let something go against you because you don't want to accept that you're red. It's kind of, it's pretty funny when you think about it. Oh, we're up to the whole dollar here at 400. See if we can get a push through it. Maybe that'll be our chance to get the extra push that we're looking for. All right, Melo. Have a good fourth, man. We'll see you afterwards. Stay safe. Don't do anything silly. Don't lose any fingers, especially on your mouse clicking hand. Yeah, but I mean, that's what I'm saying. If your plan is to take profits where you did, then there's nothing to complain about. Like, all you did was follow your strat. Like, just move on. Move to the next trade. That wasn't me. That was the imposter. It's the imposter. Was it the imposter with spaghetti sauce? Excuse me. Ooh. Just grinding higher. I'm assuming they're going to do this until close. Hard stops and often bail if I don't like it, even if it didn't hit my hard stop. Well, then it sounds like you didn't follow your plan. So that's on you. Yeah, definitely ignore the My Fund of Futures thing until tomorrow. I'm not going to change it just for the rest of today, but yeah, apparently they pushed it back. I did that last night, assuming it would be ready to go today, but I guess they pushed it back again. Even if I'm not live tomorrow, that would give them an extra day, but I'll probably see if they did it tomorrow anyway, even if I don't go live. It's kind of up in the air. I'll probably go live tomorrow as long as I'm awake, which I don't see why I wouldn't be. Kids are always waking me up early anyway. It would be nice to sleep in, but I actually went to bed early last night around 10 o'clock. I don't want to force any trades, but man, oh man, I would love to be at payout. All I had to do was hit the buy button at some point when it was going towards all-time highs. Would have been good to go. The other thing is there's not that much volatility today, right? If you look at, so like if I go down to 20 ticks, which is $100, like that's a pretty decent distance. Yesterday 20 ticks looked more like this. All right? Like that's what 20 ticks looked like yesterday. Today it's a lot different. So it's like even if we did get the big move, it's not really for that much money. Obviously, I'm still hoping for it, but hopefully if we break 400, we'll get a nice big pop, but I don't see us going from 400 all the way up towards 420, not in one shot. Based off of the current trend, maybe like 405, 406. I mean, just look at the 5-minute chart. It's kind of ridiculous. Just from the open, pretty much just straight up. Could have assumed this was going to happen today. Just hit the buy button at some point, but we don't like to assume. We like to react. We don't predict. We react. Happy 4th, Clarity. Hey, congrats on winning on Husk's channel. It's always nice to win a giveaway. 400 looks ripe. Yeah, it sure does, Pine Tree. I don't see a world where we don't at least try it. All right, Bullseye. I think we all understand. Got a 4 mini, I'm assuming mini runner. Gonna close after the spike. Kamado, I am live every day the market's open, except for maybe tomorrow. I'll probably be here. I probably just won't be here for that long. But yes, I am live every day the market's open. Feel free to join in. If you are one of the 50 people that are here by 11 o'clock every day and also hit the like button, we do a giveaway. I will keep doing that giveaway every day that we have 50 people in here with 50 likes. That's all I need. And then once we start getting up towards like 100, we'll probably change the goal. Like we'll still do the 50-50 one, but maybe we up the giveaway if we get to 100, and then 150, and then like just go from there. We can just keep upping it. That's the idea. But the first one is 50-50. We're so close to it almost every day, but I'm gonna keep that as my standards, and we're gonna go from there with the actual giveaways. Because like I said, guys, I can't give away money that I don't make. And I'm not making enough to just give it away every day like that. I do think after this Friday, though, I am going to take that money for the giveaways for daily. So instead of doing the one per month, I'm going to split that up so that we can try to do some every day. That's going to be the idea moving forward. Well, we're not going to do it today, but so 11 o'clock Eastern is what I shoot for, to have 50 people watching and 50 likes on the stream. That's it. Nothing special. And you just have to be here. And then I usually will do a giveaway. I'm going to take this short on my fund of future on the eval. Just to stop above the highs. Feels like we might roll over, maybe come down, retest something. I don't know what we'd retest. I don't think we can get all the way back down to 350, but we could try. But it definitely feels like we're going to try to roll over here. Tried to go higher, didn't really go higher. Tried to get back up to the highs and failed. That's usually a sign that we're going to try lower, at least temporarily. If we get below this green candle here, we'll go ahead and move our stop to break even. Because at that point, we're looking for it to flush, not get held up. All right, we're below. Move to break even. And stopped out. So the idea is when you break that green candle, we start a flush, not get bought up. So now that looks like a sweep, and we're probably going to go back to the highs. Which now, I could have just flipped it. Why not? Let's flip it. And we'll use our stop as that candle. Right? Because, I mean, that's the idea. It wants to roll over. It tried. It failed. It got bought up. And the odds are, if it does that, you're just going to go higher. But see how, I mean, that's like, we have like next to nothing open. Like, how much is that? Yeah, it's not even $200. Yesterday, that would have been like $500-$600. Let's see if we can just ride this. We'll use this as our stop. If it comes back down here, then oh well. It might end up being a sweep of the highs and then lower. But I feel much more confident in it possibly just running higher. And this is just the eval, guys. It's the only reason I'm even taking this. Just something to do. Using my prediction skills. And the giveaway is for money. It's for cash money. You just got to have a PayPal address. That's it. And if you live somewhere, I'm going to start taking it out of your guys' money. I'm going to pull a corporate move on you guys. If you live somewhere where it's going to charge me a fee, I'm going to take that out of your winnings, because I've been paying it myself, but that over a long period of time, that's going to add up. So like if I'm giving away $20 and it adds $1 fee, like that's a no bueno. South Africa, I mean, you're fine. It doesn't matter where you're at as long as you have a PayPal. If you win though, and it cost me that fee, I'm just going to take it out of the money. So you might win $19 instead of 20. I am from Maryland, inside the United States. There we go, moving higher. Trying to move higher. Gedwin Blanc, thanks for the sub. Welcome to the channel. What's up? Oh God. Headquarters TV, welcome to the channel. Thanks for the sub. What's up? I don't know if I can do that every time. Corporate greed? Yeah, you know it. When is Apex doing 90% off again? I have no idea, man. I don't work for Apex, nor do I know what they're doing on the inside. Gonna add to this and move our stop up. Gonna look to take one off on the push here. All right, we'll take that one off. We're gonna leave the stop where it was. If we get a big push, we might even get out of this and go try to trade the Apex account. We'd need to be way up here though, 420. At this point, we can obviously put our stop break even, not letting this go back against us. This shouldn't come back down here. I mean, it could to retest, but I'm not looking to let it do that. So it's running into some resistance up here, so we'll look to take it off here if it can get back up there. And then once it makes a bottom of a candle here, we'll move our stop up to there. Unless it's an engulfing candle, then we'll probably just let it go. So this is the move we were looking for to get short, but we're just obviously looking for much bigger of a move, but we're just not getting that today. There's just not enough volume. All right, candle's about to close. See if it shoots back up here. Looks like it's going to. So we'll put our stop there. Actually, we'll see if we can break the highs here. Maybe get a little bit more out of it. Maybe they'll try to do like a little bit of a sweep. If for some reason that doesn't get filled and it tries the highs, we'll just jump out. $400, then we rug pull? Maybe. I don't know. 420 for America? Oh, that would be actually kind of funny. I own 40% of Apex? Yeah, okay. I risk 100 USD per trade on a 50K account. Is it a problem trading a trailing drawdown account, or should I use end of day? If you're only trading, or if you're only risking $100 a trade, you have no problem with the trailing drawdown. You'd have to lose 25 times without a single win. So you're perfectly fine. Bullseye, I will mute you in the chat. We get it, man. We get it. All right, here we go. Trying the highs. Just looking for it to poke through. There we go. So nice little winner there. 400 and I think it was like 470 on that trade. I think we took a small loss on the other one. 465. Yeah, we lost $5 on that first trade, looking for it to go short. And then we made 465 on that one. Nice little add on the break of the highs there. Took some off on the push, and then we just continued to push higher. But obviously we ran into some resistance. If this wants to keep going, awesome. Not a big deal. I'm actually going to switch over to the Apex accounts just in case it does want to make a nice little push. Yeah, the last thing I want to do is mute somebody in the chat, but I don't think I ever actually have. I've only banned like the obvious scammers and stuff, but if you're gonna repeat yourself over and over again, it's gonna get you pretty close. Make sure we're on the right account here. Do we have the volume to possibly get a big push? Need that emotional candle, the one that is so obvious. The elastic band, we need it to just go for it. By trailing, they're much cheaper. Do you have a link for Beelnox? I do. It should just be code VOLA when you sign up. I don't think they don't have like a sale going on right now. They just have the 83% off on the option 1 accounts. So even if you wanted the end of day, I don't think they have a sale going on for those right now. Yeah. I don't even see. Yeah. So the option 2 stuff, it's only 45%, which I think is like their normal price. But until July 9th, there's the 83% off the option 1s. Just use code VOLA, VOLA. Can you copy the MFF account with the Apex with Replicanto? Yeah, I don't see why not. I don't use Replicanto. I don't know exactly how it works, but I know that most people use it to do just that, to trade with multiple firms. I think the only thing is you have to make sure that, like, if you're using Quantower or something like that, you have to have the ability to connect to the multiple prop firms at the same time, which would mean for Quantower you would need to pay for the advanced features, which I think is $40 a month. But I actually have a code. I'm one of the only people that actually have a Quantower code if you use the paid subscriptions to get 10% off. Because most of the people that have a code for Quantower, see, Quantower gives you 15%, but they let you divvy it up the way that you want. And most of the people will just give the code and like, if you use my code, cool, and they'll take the full 15%. I decided to only take 5% and give anyone who uses the code 10%. So it's my way of, again, I'm always trying to help as much as I can. So if you do end up paying for something on Quantower, if you use my code or my link, or I forget what you use, I think it's the link, you will get 10% off of whatever it is. Yeah, I think it's just people coming in for the end of the stream, or the end of the market open. Well, yeah, you want to use the trailing anyway. So yeah, if you go to Beelnox and you sign up, option 1, whichever one, and then just type in code VOLA, and it'll work, VOLA. It'll give you the 83% off, which is, anytime you use my codes, it'll always be the best offer that firm currently has. And it'll always be VOLA for Beelnox, for My Fund of Futures, and for Apex. And if you ever want to know what the current discounts are, and this goes for anybody, that link I have down there at the bottom where it says www.daytradingcoupons.com, I keep that updated. So that way, like, if I'm not live or something and you want to check like what the current discounts on all the firms are, I'll always have them updated on there. It's VOLA, VOLA. I'll type it in the chat. But yeah, it's down there in the bottom right too, like above the little spinning wheel. Code VOLA. I appreciate you using that. Thank you for the support. And if you, like I said, it's kind of the idea. Like, you use my code. If you have any questions, I'm kind of like, I don't want to say an ambassador, but I'm an affiliate. So it's like, the idea is that I have the answers to any questions that you have, and in return, I earn, quote unquote, a commission for being that person for you. That's what a lot of people don't understand. You know, like, being an affiliate, it's not all sunshines and rainbows. Sunshine and rainbows. You gotta know a lot of stuff, or at least where to find the answers. This 5-minute chart is insane. Straight up. Which has the best deal right now? So as far as the 50K accounts, right this second, today, it's Beelnox. They have the 83% going on. Apex has an 80% going on, and believe it or not, I think Apex is still running. Let me check. I don't know when that ends. July 9th. Okay. So right now, Apex has a thing where the 150K account, the 250K account, and the 300K account, they're all $40. So it's the same price as the, let me switch back to the one. I was getting excited for a second. They all have the same price of $40 until July 9th for the 150K, the 250K, and the 300K for the eval. And if you pass that eval by August 15th, so if you purchase those evals by July 9th, you have until August 15th to pass those evals. And when you pass them, they have the ability to be activated for a lifetime fee of $85. So for a 150K account, a 250K account, a 300K account, you can buy all of those evals through Apex for $40 until July 9th, the end of July 9th. And then the lifetime fee on those would be $85 by August 15th. So that would be $125 all in for a 150K, a 250K, or a 300K through Apex. And if you want to reset those, it's $35. So it's $40 for the initial try, and if you blow the eval, then you can reset it for $35. I thought about adding a couple of those. I mean, I still have until next week, until the 9th, to figure that out. But I might try adding a couple 150Ks. I haven't decided yet. But Buellnox is just straight up 83% off. And their activation fee is $140, I want to say. I think it's $140. Let me see. Do not want to give you guys false information. It is $148. I knew it was around there. I thought it was just $140. So to activate the 50K account for Buellnox, it's $148. It's obviously different for the other ones. The 25K account, it's $143. So it's about the same anyway. But then when you jump to the 100K account, it goes way up. It's $248. So yeah. But no matter what you do, just use code VOLA. It'll get you the best discount possible. And you can even just go through and just type code VOLA for any of the accounts, and you'll see, like I said, it's activated no matter what. So it'll always give you the best one. So if you want to see what the current sale is, you can go in to buy the account and just type the code in, and it'll show you the final price. Lifetime for Buellnox? Yes, that is lifetime. For Buellnox, yeah, they only offer lifetime. They don't do the monthly. So that's one of the advantages slash disadvantages. And I think Buellnox does that because, again, they're trying to promote people trading correctly, right? And if you have a lifetime account, it allows you the ease of mind knowing that you're not going to get charged every month. And if you're not getting charged every month, you won't feel pressured to maybe make some trades that you probably shouldn't have. Where Apex is one of the only ones that really offers that monthly subscription. Apex and Top Step banned South Africa. Yeah, I saw that they added some countries to their lists. Or I didn't see. I heard people were talking about it. Also, if you guys want to talk at any point in the day, you can join the Discord. I'll throw that link in the chat as well. I'm always in there. If you guys ever have any questions, the chat main room on the trading floor and the off-topic channel, that's where we hang out the most. Here's a big rollover here. Is that 420? We hit 4. It would have been funny if it went to 420 exactly. Off topic, I'm the CEO. Yeah. Maybe we get a band's touch to the downside. I wouldn't be very confident in that though. Because this thing could just dump into the close. I'm the CFO. So we got about 45 minutes, 43 minutes or so. Market closes at 1:15 today. I just posted it. Just look up a little bit. You should see it. Well, there it is. A bunch of times now. I wish I had like a thing that says type !help, and it would like give you all the commands that are available. I wonder if that's even possible. Yeah, I don't think it's an actual thing, Hector, but I'm curious if I can make it a thing. Believe it or not, there is an 8-ball. So I think Methodical Man was talking about that earlier. But I think you can like do 8-ball. Should I ban trading for science? The 8-ball's got your back. Oh, there goes Apex again. Fletcher, it's all good. Yeah, it's been like this all week. Oh, so it's !commands. So instead of help, it's !commands. Let's see if that works. Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go. Sweet. I didn't even know that that was a thing. I might actually have to go through these and make sure that none of those can be abused. And Discord, welcome. I don't remember that one. Edit counter, we can get rid of that. Docs, we can get rid of that. Oh, that's just for the moderator anyway. Here goes Apex again. Vanish? I don't even know what that does. !tip? I didn't even know that you could do that. Show a random quote. I'm scared. It didn't do anything. Maybe it's searching. Maybe that one doesn't work. But I can add a timer now. Add a timer. Commands. Type !commands to see all available actions. All right. I saw it said I had a welcome one, but I didn't see that one in there. Well, I think our shot was right there to hit the upper bands. No, it just looks like we'll probably just go sideways into the close here if I had to guess. Has anybody got any fun plans for the 4th? Oh, my fund of futures said something. What'd they say? Notice board. New starter program is now available for purchase. Let's see if that's true. It is! All right, guys. It's available. Guess they wanted to hit that before they closed. So there it is. 80 bucks a month. No activation fee. End of day drawdown, max drawdown 2.5 is pretty much everything we discussed. Three contracts max. There it is. Let's see what happens just if we choose. So you go in, you get to choose who you want to use. They got Quantower in there. Got to go through and agree to everything. I've read all this. Oh, it might be different now. I don't know. So I'm not actually signing up. I'm just curious. So card number, and here's the coupon code. So it's not going to get you anything, but it might not even let me use my own. Yeah. It's not going to get you anything off, but it'll allow me to get a portion of it. So it's just a way to help support if you want to sign up for it. So there you go. It's available now. I actually want to ask my back-end guy something real quick. All right. Let's go back to the main. So if you have any questions about those, just let me know. They're pretty straightforward though, and that's what I like about it. And the fact that you can be $80 all in is just amazing. Oh, that's why my chat is not working over here. Let me reopen it. I was wondering why you guys weren't talking to me. There we go. It's like I typed in the quote thing. No quote found. Okay. So this was all working. My chat wasn't working inside OBS. Is there an issue with Rhythmic or Quantower? It's Rhythmic. But it's Apex's version of Rhythmic, because if you've noticed, every time Apex goes out, I can click over to My Fund of Futures and it's fine. As I say that, My Fund of Futures has a connection error. But I wonder if that's because they just updated something on their end. I don't know. They're usually pretty quick to load, so we'll give it a sec. Oh, there is the welcome one. I wonder why that's not on the main thing. What are we confirming here? It's Quantower. It's not Quantower. It's Rhythmic, which Ninja. Oh, maybe that wouldn't make any sense, because how come it doesn't do it for like look, Apex just went out again. So Apex is out, but My Fund of Futures is fine. Oh, you know what? That might be... No, it says I'm logged in. What's going on there? Lack of license. What is that all about? I'm signed in. Invalid credentials. That's fun. Oh, did it run out? Oh, yeah. Today was the last day. I thought I had it set to stay up there, though. So my license just ran out. Oh, so my discount on Quantower is actually... The code is volatility, not just VOLA, if you're planning on using it. I was like, what's going on? Does my fund of futures now have Quantower? Yes. That's what I've been using. I thought it was $50 reset, but it said 100. Wait, what? Start challenge. It doesn't say anything about the resets on here. I assure you it's 50. It's not 100. Oh, you're saying maybe when I click on it? Let me go through. So you can use Sierra, but it is paid. Just keep that in mind. I mean, Quantower is too if you're using multiple firms. I don't see anything about the reset. The reset is 50 for the 50K. Alright. So I'm paid again. Let's try logging back in again. That was just bad timing. The timing on that was pretty funny. Alright, now we're back for both. So that's why my fund of futures went out, but now we got both again. I hate Rhythmic so much. It has had its issues, but it seems to only be with Apex. It's the connection between Apex and Rhythmic. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Because anytime Apex would go out via Rhythmic, like I could click over to my fund of futures and it was perfectly fine. A little late to the game, but what time does futures close today? 1:15. 1:15. If we can push down into the bands and also be around this area, around 350, I might actually look to trade this. I should make sure that the copy trader is working. Okay. Apex blame Quantower users for that because we load too much historical data. I'm loading 10 days of historical data. You can see it right here. There's no way that has anything to do with it. Click on the More Section tab. Where? If I choose the 80K, click Quantower. I don't like where do you see a more? No, it's 1:15 Eastern. 1:15 Eastern. So that would be 12:15 Eastern for you. It's coming up. Well, you got a half hour. Acknowledge everything. I don't see where you're talking about, Zishan. And everywhere they've posted, it says $50. And here I can even show you again. Like this is their official. This is their official thing right here. So for the 50K, it's $80, and then a reset fee is 50. The only one that's 100 is the 150K. So you're good. What was the code again? It's just VOLA, VOLA. It's in the bottom right hand of my screen too. You can see it right there. Thank you, Robert the Macadamia Nut. Appreciate that. I am from Maryland. I'm in Maryland. Robert, are you doing the 50K? I'm going to grab one too, just not right this second. If I can get the payout on this Apex account, I'm definitely, as long as it gets approved, etc., I'll definitely be getting one. Yeah, you can, so you can have up to 3. I'm not telling you to get 3, I'm just saying you can have up to 3. Yeah, I'm pretty excited for those. It's literally $80 all in. That's crazy. It's amazing. Again, just not enough of a push to get to the bands. We haven't even come close to the bands except for at the open. That was the only time. I mean, we've come within striking distance a few times, but we've never actually got there. It actually gave you, oh, that's right, because it'll give you 5% no matter what. Ah, look at that. Okay, I forgot about that. I forgot that they told me when I got the code that even if there's no sale, the code will still get you at least 5%. So it's, I mean, it's a little something. So sweet. So they're $76. I can put that in my little sweeper. $76 all in. Nice. Good to know. Good to know. I forgot about that. Because they were saying they're never going to have sales on these because they don't need it, which is true. I mean, it's already a really good deal. But I forgot that you, even when there is no sale, the code gets you 5%. I like it. JD with a nice push today. PayPal pushing back up, so that's going to expire worthless. Not going to lie, I was kind of hoping PayPal would come down and fill me at 55. I mean, we have until next week, but it's not looking great. It's starting to push back up. And so here, look, so Apex is down, My Fun Futures is not. Clicked right over. I just don't understand. It's not like we're in a highly volatile market right now. There's I mean, there actually is a decent amount of volume considering the time of day and right before the holiday, but this could just be a bunch of people kind of dumping their positions if they're not going to be here tomorrow kind of thing. See, Apex still down. It's coming back up now. Or not. The daily and the 1 hour came back up, but for some reason the 5 minute and this did not. It's saying there's significant delays. So I can grab a My Funded Futures account at the price today. Yeah, they literally just opened it. I saw it in their Discord, so that's what made me check it. So it's $76 for the 50K starter account now. It's on their website, ready to go. Does that ban strategy even work in an uptrend? Well, the idea is when there's an uptrend, you're looking for that big emotional extension away from the trend. And then you're looking for it to reverse back down into that trend. So you're looking for that abnormal boner candle to go up into the bands, and then you're looking for it to retrace back down. That's the idea behind the trade. If it's going into a key level, even better. But the odds are you're only going to get it when it usually goes through a key level. When it's just slowly grinding like this, you don't want nothing to do with it. That's why you wait for it to touch the bands, because if it touches the bands on any of these, the odds are it's going to be such an abstract move that you're going to get some sort of reversal. I clicked on pay and it is stuck on waiting now. Seems their website. Yeah, everyone's trying to buy them probably. What do they mean by scaling? So the scaling is based on how much you have in the account. So if you have $0 to $1,000 in profit on the account, you can use 2 contracts. If you go from 1,000 to 1,500, or maybe it's 0. Hold on, let me find it. I don't want to give you the wrong numbers. It's either 1,000 or 1,500. I want to say it's 1,500 now that I'm thinking about it. Of course. I had it up earlier too. Let me just see if I can find it real quick. Help center, scaling. Is this it? Yeah, here it is. All right. So hopefully you guys can see that. So basically it's from 0 to 1,500, you get 2 contracts. From 1,500 to 2,000, you can have up to 3 contracts. From 2,000 to 3,000, you get 5. And then it's just stuck at 5 at that point. So that's what they mean by the scaling. Again, Ninja is connected to Apex Rhythmic just fine, never disconnected. That is weird. But that's what I've always said it. It's Apex's connection through, but I guess it's through Rhythmic. I don't know. It still hasn't come back up for me. Maybe they just shut it down for the day. They're like, you got it. It's activated already. Let's go. And that's the thing, man. My Fund of Future seems to be on top of everything on the back end. Everything's automated. Everything is like pretty instant. Their dashboard is amazing. They have customer service in the form of AI on their website. So if you click and it turns into a real person, like if you need it to be. So yeah, I'm gonna bring this back up real quick. I'm like really starting to like My Fund of Future. So on their website, if you go to the bottom right, you'll see this. You'll see this little guy, this little bubble. Move it up here a little bit. And if you click it, it'll allow you to talk to AI. And if the AI can't answer you, it'll allow you to keep sending messages. And eventually, if the AI doesn't have an answer, a real person will come on and start to talk to you. You just might have to wait a couple minutes. But that's amazing. Like, that's how it should be. That was one of the huge things I loved about CMEG. It was one of the main things I loved about Dosh Trader, is the fact that they had that live chat option. Because if you have a question, you should be able to go get it answered. Yes.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm back.
You are back.
Trading for Science is doing.
Oh, so you can't use 10 contracts right away with like Apex? No, you can't. That's kind of the idea. Like they're trying to promote profitable trading. They're not trying to allow people to just go in and gamble the accounts.
Hi guys who were here earlier that saw me. Yeah.
Would have been good if there was no 20 ticks min rule. Yeah, I mean, again, each place is gonna have their own thing, but for me, 20 ticks is plenty. It's, I don't know, that's not an issue for me. But I guess if you're trading the ES, like you said, I guess that could be an issue. Yeah, there went the rest of the Apex's charts. I wonder if they're trying to reset it on their side. Like even the daily and the hourly that were up are now gone. They're going to run this to the highs and to the close. That's great. Fake out the lows, run it back to the highs. Strong close for options today. It was pretty much red all day. Now we're making a nice little close. Oh, and Apex is back now. So yeah, I bet you they just did like a quick little reset. Stop loss, I didn't see anything about a stop loss, but they have a daily max loss. So I would assume that that would have to be your stop loss. Which if you look on the accounts when you're signing out, it should say it right there. Let me see. It was, I think, 1,500? 1,200. So there's a max loss on the account every day, which is 1,200. And your max drawdown's 2,500. So in theory, you can max loss 2 days in a row and still have a little chance to come back. 22 stop loss? Well, with 10 contracts. As far as I know, Robert, the macadamia nut, it's 20. It's 5 points. It seems like they want 5 points minimum. Nice, Fred. Yeah, anybody that's interested, you use my code, you do get $4 off. I totally forgot that they have the 5% in there, regardless of if there's a sale or not. So it's 80 a month, or not 80 a month, $80 total. Well, it would be 80. So again, guys, it's 80. It says $80 a month, but it's $80 a month for the evaluation process. So if you pass the evaluation process within the first month, it will not cost you more than that $80. That's it. If you pass the eval and you get funded, you have a lifetime account for that $80. That's it. If you do blow the eval within the first month, you can reset it for $50, and then that's it. $50, you're all in, good to go. It's the same. It's literally the same thing. The catch is you can only have three total accounts, 3 funded accounts. Similar price to Take Profit Trader. Does Take Profit Trader have something that's just like this? I don't know. I haven't looked at that in a while. So you can use code VOLA on the reset. It might work for you, but they already told the affiliates that we won't get any of the commission from a reset. So we only get it for the initial sign up. Ask me how I know already? Oh God. Yeah, we don't get it for the reset, unfortunately. I'm a little confused at why that's the case. It's kind of not cool on their part. But, I mean, I guess it is what it is. The max payout. That's a good question. I don't think there is a max payout. I think there's just a minimum payout. I don't remember seeing anything about a max payout. Withdrawal limit up to 1,200. There you go. So up to 1,200 for each payout until 30 winning days or 6,000 in payouts achieved. After the first payout, maximum loss limit moves to the 50,100. So it's kind of just like Apex with that. So you have the end of day trailing drawdown. But once you take a payout, they move the limit to 50,100. That's kind of interesting. I didn't even know that. So like say you take that, if you take that first payout of 500 bucks, are they still going to move it? You wouldn't even have 500 bucks. You wouldn't even have, like, you would just be killing the account, wouldn't you? Interesting. I don't really know how that would work. Yeah, I don't really know how that would work. They don't have any examples listed. But like in the first 5 days, you make 100 bucks a day, and then you withdraw that 100 bucks or that 500 bucks, but then they move it to 50,100. Wouldn't that technically put you back at 50,000? And if they move the max loss, wouldn't that just kill the account? Interesting. I don't know. I don't know if that's what that means or whatnot. Is that offer for Rhythmic only? No, I think it's for everything. When you go to sign up for it, it lets you choose. So right here, so after you click on the starter plan, it has all of it. TradingView, Tradeovate, NinjaTrader, RTrader Pro, Quantower, Sierra Chart, Jigsaw Trading, Atlas, Addis. But you can see these last three, they say paid. So the first 5 are free. There we are, back to the highs. What'd you find? Yeah, that's the page I'm looking at, Zushan. No problem, Lee. Maybe... I don't know. Sorry, I'm thinking out loud here. So it looks like it did give me... Did somebody just do a reset? It doesn't tell me names or anything like that. But if someone just did a reset, it looks like it was for 50 bucks. And with the code, it does look like it gave me the commission for it. Oh, that was you, Pine Tree? Interesting. Yeah, maybe we do get the commission for it. They told me that we don't, but it looks like we do. Yeah, you literally only need to trade for 5 days, but you have to make a minimum of $100 on those days. But if you do that, you can request a payout on that 6th day. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And you don't even have to, there's not even a minimum amount that you have to make. You just have to have 5 days of $100 or more. And then you could actually withdraw $250. Because that was my thought, was I didn't know that they would raise the trailing drawdown like that though. So that's something I'll have to ask about. I might do that tomorrow. But apparently, or what my thought was, is you get those 5 days, $100, you request the payout, and even if you lose 500 in drawdown, I was perfectly fine with that. But you essentially paid for the account plus 4 more accounts to just keep moving forward. Here we are, all-time highs again. Going into the close, got about 12 and a half minutes here till the close. Brayden, you in there? When you're done, I need you to go get changed. Or you already changed to normal clothes. Yeah, go get changed when you're done. Well, let me see him when you come out. I don't know if I'm going to risk taking a trade right now, even if we were to hit the bands. I'm so eager to trade these accounts, but I don't know. I don't know what would even happen. Like, is the market just going to literally close at 115? I think I'm not going to chance it. We'll watch it and see what happens if it would have worked. But I'm not going to chance it. So I don't want to like be in a trade and then it just shuts off. Like I love how they fake the rollover going into the close. They're like, nah, all-time highs, suckers. July 4th, America. Yeah, Bob. What? It's on me, so I can finish up. Oh, yeah, you know. Yeah, you could leave that shirt on, but yeah, put boxers and some kind of shorts on. You can, but you still need boxers. Did I show you guys my setup for July 4th on my new computer? Let's see if I have a picture of it already. I think I do. Yeah. Check this guy out. This is with the case off, though. Let me see if I can get a better picture of it. Actually, it's probably better with the case off because it shoots a reflection. That's what my computer looks like at the moment. It's pretty cool. America. Any more questions? Got 8 minutes. 8 minutes.
8 minutes?
Well, until 1:15. Pika!
Pika, pika.
Pika, pika. You look all peeked out. Pika, pika.
Pika.
You got boxers on? Okay. I believe you. Ooh. They look like Sonic. Are they Sonic ones?
No. They kind of look like Pikachu.
You got your shirt stuck in your boxers on your back. Fix it? Let me see. Pull your shirt down. Your shirt, not your pants. There you go. Can I have a hug?
Guess what?
Chicken butt.
Guess thigh.
Chicken thigh? Guess why? You mean guess who?
Chicken food. Guess thigh.
What is guess thigh? You're supposed to guess why. And then you say chicken thigh.
But I made up a new one.
Oh, okay. Guess thigh? I don't know.
Chicken pie.
Chicken pie or chicken my?
Chicken my.
My? What's a chicken my?
Chicken mine.
Chicken my. Don't stretch your shirt. Give me a hug.
Wait, how did you find that?
What, this?
That's it.
Oh, are you the one that hit it? Brayden found it. I didn't find it. He said it was in the pantry. You silly boy. I was wondering why it was in the pantry. Don't do it. Just have Trump's face in the flag? I probably could.
What did do?
Why is that like that? I don't know why it's like that in there, but not the other ones. I wonder if it's just a reflection. Tomorrow I might actually paint the back of my fish tank finally. I've been meaning to paint it black. I just never got around to it. I might actually do it. I finally converted to a canister filter and got rid of the hang on the back. So now I can have access to the whole back. I would not be surprised in the last 5 minutes we have absolutely no volume, but I'm assuming we'll end up at the highs as we close. I was, but then he decided he didn't want it, so then I found I have a newfound love for it. And now I put a little bit more money into it so that I can enjoy it. And the Black Molly started having babies like crazy. I went from having 5 Black Mollies when I first started to there's probably like 40, maybe 50 in there now. Ninja never disconnected once today. Interesting. I'm not saying you're wrong. I'm just saying it's Apex's only, like they're the only ones disconnecting. Like I said, My Funded Futures, I click over and they never disconnected once. So it's something to do with Apex's rhythmic connection to Quantower. That's all I was saying. I'm not saying it was rhythmic. I'm just saying it was something to do with Apex's side of things. I wasn't disagreeing with you. Have a good 4th, man. Yeah, if I don't see you guys tomorrow, have a good 4th. Stay safe. Don't blow your hands up. Yeah, it's happened multiple times today as well. I'm gonna throw this Coke can away. What's up, German Ortiz? Are you related to Poppy? Use TradeAvate? Yeah, nothing wrong with using TradeAvate. We all use what we want to use. I've just always used Rhythmic, and I always heard TradeAvate used to have a bunch of problems, so I just never used them. You out of here, Zishan? I'll be right back. We got 3 minutes. I'm staying to 1:15, baby. I'll have to see if I can actually record some of the fireworks. We're doing some of the goodies. Should be a lot of fun. All right, 2 minutes. 2-minute countdown. What if they just close the market at 420? That would be pretty funny. All right, Zichan. Later, man. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good 4th. Yeah, I'll probably be here just for a small amount of time. Might get on for like an hour or so. Maybe try to trade the open and be done. Definitely not looking to force anything. All right, 20 seconds. We're at 420. What's it gonna close at? Dude, are they doing this on purpose? That is hilarious. Come on. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 420. No, 419.50. No, I think they were trying. I really think that they were trying to do 420. That's hilarious. I mean, it's going to open back up at 6 o'clock tonight anyway. So the price is going to change before. That does answer my question, though, that it did just straight up shut off at 115. It opens back up at 6 tonight, so the price is going to be different going into the 4th. But that's pretty funny. Womp womp. Tomorrow is until 1, correct, yes. No, today, we're closed. Today, right now, 1:15. Closed, done. It'll reopen at 6 p.m. Eastern tonight, and then it goes until 1 p.m. Eastern tomorrow. And then they're closed until 6 p.m. on the 4th, which I'm surprised because, like, that's the actual 4th, but, I mean, is what it is, I guess. But, all right, I'm going to get out of here, guys. I appreciate y'all being here. Until tomorrow, like I said, I'll probably jump on at least for the first hour or so. If for some reason I don't have a good July 4th, stay safe, all that good stuff. If I do, hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. Maybe we'll do a giveaway. Maybe we'll try to stay on till 11 and see if we can get that 50 likes, 50 people in here. And yeah, have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you tomorrow or the next day. Or yeah. Peace.
That we've all